Here was a more in-depth demo of cowriter and how to access it from the regular iOS keyboard. So here I am in a Google Doc and I'm using a regular iOS keyboard. In order to switch over to cowriter, once you've added it as a keyboard, I just press the globe on the left of the microphone. I go right to cowriter and I let go. And here's my cowriter keyboard. So I could start using the cowriter keyboard. I love to write. Oh, there's right. I spelled it with an R, but it came up. Put a period. Um, so as you see, my prediction bar right now is blue. I can change the color. If I press and hold these books here, that takes me to the topic dictionary if I just tap it. But if I press and hold it and I go to the settings icon, the little gear, I can change the voice because it does speak out loud. I can change it so it'll speak each letter as I type. I'm thinking this would be very good for some of our younger students or students taking maybe even a spelling test to get that automatic feedback. I can make it so it speaks after you type each word and put a space in, or after each sentence when you put punctuation in. Below are just some of the speak settings, the volume, the speed, and the pitch. And then on the right here, this is where the students love to be able to customize their toolbar. Some students want it to look very much like the regular iOS keyboard. And so in that case, I just have them do white letters with a gray background. But others really like to pick their favorite colors or their favorite sports team colors. And students have a wide variety of choices for that. They also can then increase or decrease the size of their words in their prediction bar. By default, it's pretty small, so I suggest they make it at least halfway or a little above. If I press done, you're going to see it looks different now. It does look a lot more like the regular iOS keyboard. So if I'm going to show you some of the other features, if I start to type, I had a great weekend. Oh, there's weekend. If I wasn't sure which one of these words was the word weekend or if it was even up there, I can swipe with my finger over each one of these words before pressing it, and it will speak them out loud. Right now, through the demo and through QuickTime Player, it's not playing the sound, but just so you know, you can swipe on all of those before you actually press to have it go into your document. Another feature that's great is the topic dictionary. This is a neat feature when they're writing about a specific topic. So I can just tap on these books here, and these are some of the topics that I have used in the past. Some students have read the book Restart, and so we searched it, and now vocabulary that goes with that book will be predicted in the toolbar. So some of those specific character names or things that happened during the book. If they're writing about cell biology, those sophisticated words that go with cell biology are in there. So I'm just going to search right now. The Blackhawks, press search. There's all different types of web search vocabulary that I can pull from. Right now I see Chicago Blackhawks, and that's what I meant, so I'm going to tap on that. It turns it on. And then when I go to type, I can type, see how it pops up Chicago. Chicago Blackhawks. See how it even changed it to capitalize it for me? Are my favorite. Oh, there it is. Popped right up. Press that, and there you go. Some students prefer to use the regular keyboard, iOS keyboard, and then go back and just use cowriter as needed, or even go back and edit their writing with cowriter. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. To get back to the regular iOS keyboard, you press and hold the books, and that's where your globe is hidden. So just keep in mind to tell students that so they know how to get back. So I press the globe. Now I'm back to the regular keyboard. Let's say that I had a word. I was typing using my regular keyboard. I have a word that's misspelled. I really am not sure how to fix it. I can go back, press my globe, go to my cowriter keyboard, tap on that word, and I can edit right in there. Tap on the word favorite, and it automatically corrects it. So those are just some of the added features that are available on the cowriter keyboard.